Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be wrapping our first ever car and we're going to do it on the smart car.
And then we're going to reach out to Yanamize, which is another YouTuber, and we're going to try and get him to rate our wrap, as he used to do a series on it.
So hopefully if we can get Yanamize to rate our wrap, he doesn't rip into us too much. So let's show you what we're doing. Dan's having a bit of a clear out and I appreciate all your comments that he's given about what colour we should do this, but this is a dead nice colour. And he basically just, like I say, he's having a clear out, he's throwing all kinds away and there's loads of this left. So it's like a
bluey
mad
purple.
satin blue purple.
Yeah, it's a nice colour to be honest.
Weird, I mean, to be fair, the van's dirty, but it is actually really nice when it's done. So,
And we did want to have a go at spraying.
but yeah, we haven't really got the space here. We'll have bloody overspray all over everything. So what we're going to do is just prep this. There's loads of lacquer peel on it, so we're going to blow all the lacquer peel off.
Yeah, go on.
See, get rid of all that. And then there's a few other panels that need sanding down. It is really, really tatty this. But
The red panels are, the rest not.
yeah, but it's like the best situation we can think of. And cheapest really, because we haven't got to buy it.
Yeah. Maximises profit. It was a free car, we're going to try and see how much.
How much we can get done for free,
Yeah.
apart from time. Like,
Dan's
obviously.
offered us the wrap for nothing, so what's the point in going out and buying paint or wrap? You know, when we've got it there for free and it's a nice colour.
Yeah. That's what we're going to do it in, I think, and we're going to have a go at wrapping ourselves, because we're not wrappists.
No, we're not wrappists, not yet.
Yeah, not yet anyway.
But yeah,
Well, that's that.
let's blow it off.
Yeah, blow it off. We could be here a while. Probably try and get the majority off and then we'll take all the panels off, innit?
Found the best way to get badges off as well. There's a filler spreader. Doesn't scratch the paint when it gets behind them. Caramel wheel on there. All the paint and lacquer that come up. Should glowy end. Yeah, but it looks alright.
One front end off.
Very nice, isn't it? I've noticed that though. I've caught the roll upstairs. So I'm gonna have to try and get that where, say, headlight is.
Yeah, easy.
That'll be enough there, won't it?
So we just took the car out, just to because we're going home soon, so it's going to be a bit of tidy up here because there's lacquer and paint everywhere what flaked off the car. But yeah, that's the worst bit really. It's had a bit of a dodgy repair at some point, I think, so we'll just get that as smooth as possibly can. And then that one's pretty much ready, I think, for wrapping. And then we'll just move on to, this is just all the front bumper, this. Comes in 3 bits, which is quite handy for wrapping. So we'll have a bit of a tidy up, because there's shit everywhere. And move on
Weight
to the other bits. Yeah, it is weight reduction, like.
Race car now.
Move on to the other bits tomorrow. Right guys, so we've got a few of the panels off the smart car. We're just going to do it a little bit at a time, I think, just because having somewhere to keep them is a bit of a pain in the ass, and it was.
Yeah.
So we've got these 3 here, stripped down, sanded, prepped, because a couple of them had some damage on it. So we're going to get on wrapping these now. Now we've wrapped little tiny bits.
Yeah, in the past.
Before in the past, like just not a mega, but
Never done a panel like that.
no. So this will be the first time we actually wrap a full panel. So let's see how we get on.
It's either going to turn out good and we'll be surprised with ourselves, or it's going to be a pig's ear. And we'll have to get someone in to wrap it, or we'll be spraying it. Should we try and keep some on like that?
Let me get the bigger side first.
And you put yours to the edge.
Down.
Masters, man.
Look at that.
And a quick show before we trim it up. So this is where we've got it up to. Obviously, you've got to push all this around the edge, which I don't think will be hard. So this is the bit we were not struggling with, but had a bit of a fight on, because it's like an inward bend and then an outward bend.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like a wave. So, as you can see.
To be honest, you can see it loads on camera because of the shadow. Like it ramps up.
Wap wap.
Yeah. Be a big jump on your bike, that.
Yeah, it's sending you that. Tell you what.
Yeah, vehicle score.
Vehicle score, check it.
So next up, we're going to do a vehicle history check on the smart car. But to do this, we'll be using today's sponsor, Vehicle Score. And don't forget to use the code TVR20 at checkout to get 20% off.
So it always comes in handy, this vehicle score.
So as always, Romeo Alpha 61.
Papa Alpha
Alpha.
Delta.
Delta, that's long. Click check car.
Yeah.
Oh, 736. Sick that.
Flying.
63,000. 13 years old. Actually, an important bit there to see if it's ever been written off or been used as a taxi. Right, so we are actually going to scroll up here and do a vehicle history check, a full one. So you can click on that and you can add code TVR20 in the promo code to get yourselves 20% off. TVR20 and add. And it gives you from 11.95 to 9.56.
It's definitely worth doing. One of you are going to be buying a car.
Yeah, 100%. And you pay securely.
So next, Vehicle Score is going to generate our hidden history report. So to start off, it gives you some general details about your car. But if we scroll down, this is the really important bit. And this is where we'll find out if this car has any major red flags or not. And all green ticks. So we can be confident that this car doesn't owe any finance, it's not an insurance category, it's got no salvage record, it's never been stolen, it's never been a taxi. So a big thanks to Vehicle Score for sponsoring the channel and helping support us. If you want to do us a massive favor, go check your car on Vehicle Score and use code TVR20 at checkout for 20% off.
Right, so now all we've got to do is heat these edges up, push them around as we go. You know what I mean? This has got a bit of a return under here, which might be a bit of fun to get under. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Look at that. In that corner there, man. Oh, we're rapists.
Yeah.
Ah. It still needs a little bit of work.
Yeah, see if we can crease that in slightly.
Look at that, man. Professionage.
Yeah, stand it up, hang on.
For this video, we'll do something like, can you come and read my rap, lad? Like fucking pimp my ride, innit?
Yeah.
Hey, pull the wrap down. He says, so how much would you charge someone to do that? Obviously the lads have just done it for the first time. Yeah, bloody hell, I'll do it for free. So I'd pay you to do it, yeah. So you imagine it's on the car, the door's up to there as well.
Yeah. Yeah? Nice.
Sick, innit? This bit here was a frigate.
So how perfect would you say it is? It's obviously probably got some imperfections.
I mean,
Tiny little, like, a bit of shit under there.
Okay.
But, yeah.
we're working with fluffy plastic here.
Yeah.
Right, so that's the first bit done, and I don't think we've done too bad, to be honest, considering.
What's the indicator?
It's a bendy piece, that.
Sound.
You know what I mean? So there's a lot of bends. I think it's pretty good, me personally.
For a first panel wrap with loads of different bends, I think
Yeah.
we've done smashing, like, you know what I mean?
I'd rate it 11 out of 10, me.
I'm going to say 12.
Yeah, you'd better. Right, go stick this upstairs, out the way.
Go ahead, right, time to get on with the others. So that's literally just going to use for that piece so we don't waste any.
Right, so moving on with this car. This is going to be the first panel we wrap actually on the car. Everything else we've done off the car just for, we've had to take it off to either sand or clean bits, but these are good to stay on. And because they're nice and flat, it should be a dream with them being on the car. We don't have to move about. So we'll get it on. So yeah, literally, what have we got left to do? 2 more panels to wrap now, and we just figured out the better way of wrapping them doors, because you've got the face of the door, then the underside, and then back on itself, and it's on a curve, trying to wrap that without getting creases is like, I'd like to ask someone how you do it properly. Or do they do it the way we've just figured out how you do it? I don't know. Yeah. So we are nearly done with this. We can get it all back together. See what she looks like. Can't wait. We were just speaking between ourselves before. If anyone ever asked you to do a wrap and you wanted to have a go, make sure, 1, the car's brand new. Everything's nice and clean. There's no flaky paint. There's no flaky lacquer. There's nothing wrong with it. You basically want a spanking car, and I reckon it'd go all right. Us having to do this with this because it was literally, the paint and lacquer was falling to pieces. It was just crap. So we've had a nightmare with the amount of sanding and jet washing the paint off, and sometimes the wrap wasn't sticking very well or nothing like that. It was a frigging pain in the arse. But we've got there now, everything's stuck really well. A few of these pieces have been on for at least a week or so now, just because we've had to do it in like dribs and drabs, because we've had work on as well, besides doing this. And it's not started lifting or nothing yet. Everything's stayed stuck, and like it should.
When we had the option of spraying this or wrapping it, we should have just sprayed it.
Yeah.
It'd have been well easier.
It'd have been well
so
easier.
Much easier. No offense to sprayists.
Yeah.
But the work we had to put in to get this to this point, we may as well have just sprayed it.
I reckon we'd better at spraying than wrapping. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Because when you put a wrap on, if it sticks, done. You can spray something, you can get reaction, and it can start doing your head in.
I don't know, but these can lift and bubble and fucking, you know, you can stick it on and then come back the next day and you've got an air bubble, or...
Yeah, there is that. Like,
there's a lot of... Just the preparation to get the panels, obviously this car weren't the best example, but it needed something doing with it.
We've picked the hardest thing to do.
Yeah, the amount... We thought it was easy because it was both, like, all the panels come off, but it's not really. You want them off the car, you want them on the car, sorry.
Yeah.
So you can't move, because every panel's moving about. When it's to stretch it round corners, that it doesn't feel like it wants to stretch. No. And then we had the issue of, like, because we'd sanded it down so much, the plastic was like, I don't know. It's like even as many times we wiped it,
like
it was comfy. Yeah, it was like, it's a nightmare. So I would try again on probably one of my own cars if it was a nice shiny, all done car.
Yeah, not shitty.
But I would not do it on something like this again. This has took far too long. Like, you couldn't even charge someone for the amount of time this has took us. No chance.
No. But at the same time, if someone gave you the car falling apart like this, you'd probably charge them double anyway. Just because you'd have to sort the falling apart out first.
Tell them to go away.
Yeah, I would tell them to go away, most definitely.
You come to me with a car like this.
Right, let's get building this. So we put a sheet down. Just because when we were taking it apart, the floor wrecked it, didn't it? So we don't want to scuff it this time. So we'll build all this up and get it on the car.
About time, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's about time. red lights to put in. Don't know how to put the smart card back on the back of the car, to be honest. It looks freaking sick, man. Needs a bigger workshop to walk around the cars, you know. How good's that, Johnny?
Well, still need to put 2 coarse bolts in the bottom of that.
That looks sick.
Can't remember if you've already said this, but I'm going to say it again. So if you would, we just go in the comments and tag Yanamize and just put in it, rate my wrap. Because we want to try and get Yanni to rate the wrap that we've done and just see. I mean, I think we've done friggin' boss, me, considering we've never wrapped anything before, innit?
Even if he tears it apart.
Yeah, I'm not even asked if he rips a hole in it, as in like picking for stuff we've done wrong. Because I wouldn't say we've done much wrong, considering we don't know much. You know what I mean? If you get up close and personal with some of the tight little corners, it's clearly hard to do. You know what I mean? But when all the doors shut, man, fucking boss. Right guys, so there's the card all done and wrapped. Pretty pleased with ourselves, to be honest. Don't think we've done too bad of a job. But yeah, let us know in the comments what you think we've done with it, whether it's the right colour or you think we've done terrible.
I think it's spot on, me, really. For our first wrap job, I reckon it's brilliant.
Yeah.
The prep was a nightmare, but the wrapping wasn't too bad. Now we know what we're doing, I reckon we could do better on the next one.
Yeah, next
anyway.
one will definitely be a fully painted car. So it was straight away, it's already easier,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? But if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe and leave us a comment.
You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget to check out our hoodies and air fresheners now.
And the car will be up for sale soon, so keep an eye out for the update on that. See you in the next one.